Hey guys, rachaelcprhair here. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday to you all. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Today I have something so exciting that I wanted to share with you. It's not something I expected, but I just fell on this whole situation with this Eco Styler gel and I wanted to share it with you. So I hope you're interested in finding out what I found out about Eco Styler gel. Stay tuned so that you can see what I did. So this is the Eco Styler gel that I normally use. For the past couple of years I've been using wet line, but they changed their formula. So I went right back to what I was familiar with, which is the Eco Styler gel, strength number 10, and it's the olive oil. They're all pretty much the same. They just have, little bits and pieces added to them so that they individualize it for each person and what they want. Okay, so quite some years ago, I looked up what the chemical composition of this gel was because there are very few ingredients in this product. And it is very reasonably priced. I think I paid, well, I know what I paid, $12.99 for this entire 5-pound tub, which is an excellent price. And this just recently went up. It went from $10.99 to $12.99. So this is definitely a great value. If you can imagine, you can make it an even better value. I tried to make some wrapping lotion or wrapping gel for a roller set that I wanted to do. And in the time that I did that, what I did was I took this spray gel and I took this spray bottle and this gel. I filled this bottle up to here with water, and then I put in a 1/4 cup of Eco Styler gel. I shook it up. The water was boiled. It was not steaming hot when I put it into this bottle because I didn't want it to melt, but it was very hot when I put them together so that the water could dissolve the gel. I took it, I shook it up, and while it was warm, it was very thick, but it was liquid. And so I go to do my set, I'm sectioning off my hair, doing everything that I'm gonna do. By the time I go to spray it out, I get 1-2 squirts, and that was it. And then I look at it, and the gel is no longer at about this point, but it's actually filling up to the top because, of course, it expanded when it gelled back up. I thought that was amazing. There was no movement whatsoever. There was no way for me to get it through a spray bottle. So what I did, it was I took all of the product from the top down to right here again, and I put it into a jar. I said I could just use it for something else. It's not a big deal because it's still gel, very thick gel on top of it all. Okay, so from that point, what I did, now we're at this point again with the mixture of a 1/4 cup of gel and this much water. I filled it back up with water. I didn't put boiling water in it at this point. At this point, I just put some hot tap water into the container and I mixed it up again. And again, it was liquid, but then it cooled down. And once again, it was solid. It was a gel, and a thick gel. And I thought it was amazing. Now, this is what's left of the product that I discovered. Take this off. This is the consistency of the product after all of that water being added to it. See that? It is no longer green, but it is still quite thick. And so again, still too thick for a wrapping lotion, and I did still try to wrap my hair with it thinking that the strength of the product would be a lot less, but it's not. It's not enough. It's not cut enough for a wrapping set. And so what I did was I used it for a wash and go. Okay, this is where I got so incredibly excited because I got so incredibly excited because as of late, this gel, it's wonderful, but if you know this gel, you know it will make your hair completely flat. This makes my hair so flat. I can't use this gel and have volume. I just washed my hair this morning and I used this gel right here in my hair, and when I tell you I loaded my hair up with it because I just assumed, okay, I've added so much water, the strength of the gel is going to go down, which it did. It does not have as an intense hold as this one right here because my hair had absolutely no crunch in it at all, as much as it was definitely a hold. I definitely had hold in my hair. So this gel makes my hair so flat. So I have to use a small amount of it in order for me to get the definition that I want, but then not to have the way down here. But then that means that I don't necessarily get to put the gel throughout my hair to make all of my curls defined. And so that was the challenge I was running into. And so I had switched over to using the Garnier Fructis Style Pure and Clean for my wash and goes, which I can't use this one all over my hair either, because this one will make my hair very flat as well, even though I use much less of it. This gel that I have in here is fabulous for my wash and go without making my curls entirely too weighed down. Of course, if you like your curls to be weighed down and to be more flat, I like volume in my hair. I am able to get the volume that I want with this, but then the effects of the styling gel where you have the shine and you have the definition, which is what I'm looking for when I do my wash and goes. So I was so excited about that. And like I said, I did look at the composition of this gel years ago. And so when it happened, especially when it happened that second time and it was still so thick, I realized, oh, this just reminds me of me watching the video on how this gel is made. The active ingredient mixed with the water instantly gives you a thick gel. So I was just adding more water to the active ingredient. So the balance of the strength of the gel was the only thing that was affected. But I love this because this is already the best value that I have found as far as getting something that I really like and then having it perform the way I want it to. This is like the best deal out there. And to know that I just literally stumbled on finding a way just to extend that even more so that I can still use the strength 10 for my ponytails, because when I wear my hair pulled back, I like the strength 10, which is why I always buy strength 10. But for my wash and go, it's a little bit too heavy for me now. Now that my hair has the hydration and it will be defined even without a gel in my hair because I wash my hair so often. But this gives me that long-lasting definition where I can go for my entire duration of my wash and go and just wearing my hair down. And from day one, like today, it is nice and full, and it is not like, to me, I look like a wet chicken when I have my hair with too much gel on that first day. And so this is just like my dream come true when it comes to this product being able to be used this way. I did, and now my hair had more definition, but I put the As I Am curl color in my hair because I wanted some color in my hair. And this took away some of the definition, not a lot of it, but it did take away some of my definition because I didn't put it on wet hair. If I put it on wet hair, I don't think it would have taken my definition away because this stuff is absolutely fabulous. I have this color and I have the gray one because when we do our family worship night, we like to create scenarios where the children will act out the part of a Bible character, and so we like to dress up and do everything with that. And so, of course, my son loves to be an older person. And if you're over the age of 21, that means that you have gray hair. So he uses that for, that's what he uses that for. But it is a really great product, especially since it rinses out so easily and it's harmless on the hair and it doesn't transfer. So like I can touch my hair and I get minimal transfer on my hands. So I love that. It doesn't get on my clothes or anything. So that's what I have in my hair. And I absolutely have to share with you this friend mail that I got from Miss Cherry. If you know her channel, you know she is just everything pink, everything sunshine. She is just like so cute. She sent this to me almost a month ago, and I had a bunch of pre-recorded videos that I was uploading simply because my daughter was graduating and I had to, you know, get everything together. So she sent me the sweetest package. Number one, this little pouch right here reminds me of my favorite coat when I was a kid. I don't know whatever happened to that coat. All I know is I had a coat that was not this color pink, but it was almost like the pink. It was actually the exact color of my dress, but it felt like this. It was so soft and so warm, and I loved it, but I don't know whatever happened to that coat. I think if I had it right now, maybe I would still wear it. And I literally had it when I was in the 5th grade. Anyway, that's what this pouch reminds me of. I love it so much. It's just so soft and squishy. Okay, she sent me a bubble tea mask, and it's pink just like her. I'm going to use this on Sunday because that's when I'm going to do my masks for the week. And okay, this right here is so cute. This is a Revlon times Barbie nail file. How cute is that? It's so pink, so cute, and it's so her. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I needed a new nail file. Okay, and then she included some stickers. I love stickers. I absolutely love stickers. She sent me one pink star and pink cotton candy. She also sent me a lollipop, but I ate that as soon as I opened the package because I love candy. And the last thing that was in the bag, oh no, that's not true. She also sent me this bracelet that I'm wearing today. Isn't it sparkly? I love it. And then she sent me the Black Cherry Merlot hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. I had this before. I used every drop of it because I loved it so much. The smell is really good. And she sent me another one, so I'm really excited about that. And this bag is actually Estee Lauder. This is so cute. I really love this bag. So the last thing I wanted to share with you is something so extremely random, but my last video, a couple of you, sometimes I'll just ask people, well, how are you doing? Like people who comment on my videos all the time, I'll just ask them sometimes, how are you doing? And a couple of people told me that they were suffering from allergies, like itchy eyes and things like that. And so I just wanted to share something with you that has been so effective for my family, because I don't get seasonal allergies all the time, but when I do, I normally suffer from itchy eyes. And I have been outside so much lately, and my eyes have been itching like I'm going to sleep, and I'm rubbing. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have so many fine lines and wrinkles, more than I already do. And so then I remembered castor oil. This is the Yareli organic castor oil. I ordered this on Amazon. I was trying to order something else, but then I ended up getting this, and so I was completely fine with it. I normally don't get as big of a jar of castor oil because I don't go through it very often, but I use this for my itchy eyes. And if you suffer from allergies where you have itchy eyes, if you just take some of this castor oil and literally rub it into your eyelashes, it almost immediately soothes your eyes. It is so amazing that it just immediately calms it down. Sometimes it gives you a little bit of a burning feeling, but it does calm your eyes down right away. But warning, when you wake up in the morning, if you put this on at nighttime, you are going to have a lot of debris on your eyelashes because it does draw everything out. But I had to share this with you because I think it was 3 different people who said they were dealing with allergy issues. And so I just wanted to share this with you because I know this has been a game changer for us. So if you're looking for natural alternatives, I just thought I'd share those with you because I know for me it has been a major change for everything when it comes to allergies, especially since I've been spending so much time outside, and almost everyone in my house with the exception of one person has allergies. So there you go. I hope that information was useful to you, and I hope you give this gel trick a try because I'm telling you, it has been so exciting. I woke up and I said, oh, I'm going to use that gel in my hair. I didn't think about it. It's like, because I was going to tweak it to try to figure out how I can make it a wrapping lotion. But I said, this is going to be perfect for a wash and go, and it was. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you very soon, guys. Bye.